Today is World Food Safety Day.
Food Safety Day is a great time to remind everyone of ways to prevent cross-contamination and cross-contact.
Hand washing is pivotal for food safety in a food handling facility because it removes bacteria, viruses, and any other contaminants that may cause foodborne illness.
It is great to be part of the supply chain in the food industry and continuously working on improving our processes to provide safe food to our consumers.
Keeping allergens separated and segregated is not only going to prevent cross-contact, but it can also save someone's life.
By ensuring that all of our employees wash their hands thoroughly and on a regular basis, we help to prevent the spread of pathogens, help to create a hygienic facility, and also help to protect the health of our consumers.
Food safety is everybody's responsibility. So make sure what we are preparing, what we are sending out to the consumer, or what you are eating at home has been through thorough and proper channels. Thank you.